but we got no Heather.
We're making lots of plans on sticky notes for shifting Overton's window and pulling votes. We're charting a course to 2015, turning fear into hope through alchemy. Yeah, and it's alright. Yeah, we can win this fight. We've all got hope, but we've got no power. We're dodging mounted deer, sky lying on the lawn. Matthew's diving in the ocean with no swimsuit on. This place is full of magic, have you seen the view? We like the passing deer, but we sure miss you. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, we can win this fight, there's one and for all. But we've got no Laura. These days have been amazing, now we're kicking back. Making a playlist, yeah, we're picking tracks. We're letting our head on, getting ready to dance. We're getting fucking sloppy while we've got the chance. Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, we can win this fight. Gonna get Burlesque, but without Shedlesky.